Hello, welcome back to a new video. I hope you had a great start into the new year. Since my daisy chain video is still one of my most popular videos on this channel, I thought I'd show you a little bit of a variation. I hope you like it. Let's start with 6 green beads. Add your lobster clasp and add another 6 green beads. Now we pass the needle through all beads. Now you can push everything to the end of your cord. Then I'll make 2 knots. And secure them with a little bit of glue. Then I pull the needle through one more bead so we can hide the knot a little bit. Now you can trim off the short piece. Next we pick up 6 green beads, 4 pink beads and 1 yellow bead. Now we have to pass the needle through the first pink bead. Now it should look like this. Pick up 3 more pink beads and pull the needle through the pink bead that's on top of the yellow one. Now we add 4 more beads and pass the needle through all previous 6 green beads. This time we pick up 6 green beads, 4 yellow beads and 1 in pink. Like before, pass your needle through the first yellow bead. Pick up 3 more yellow beads and pass your needle through the bead over the pink one. Add 4 more green beads, but this time we pull the needle through the last 7 beads. And again, 6 green beads, 4 pink beads and a yellow one. Pull your cord through the first pink bead. Add 3 more beads and pass your needle through the pink bead that's over the yellow one. Now we pick up 4 green beads and pass the needle through the last 7 beads. That's basically all you have to do for the rest of the bracelet. At the end, I repeat the very first steps. I pick up 12 beads in total. You can add the jump ring now or later, but you don't have to add one at all, since we end this bracelet with a nice loop. Now we pass the needle through all green beads. And through one more. Now you can make your knots. And we're done. I hope this video was helpful to you. See you next time.